Hello dear students, welcome to yet another session of Fiber to Fabric. Today we will study about health hazards associated with wool and silk industry. First of all, let us try to understand the meaning of the word hazard. Hazard means danger or risk. And here health hazard means problems related to health or diseases to which one is exposed to. Children, in both wool and silk production, people working in the units are in close contact with animals, and there are chances of getting diseases due to which they may suffer. So let us begin with health hazards in wool industry. As we have learnt earlier, animals like sheep, goat, camel, etc. give us wool. These all are herbivorous animals. They may suffer from a disease called anthrax. Anthrax is a disease caused by a microorganism, Bacteria anthracis. These organisms cannot be seen with our eyes. These microbes, they may be found in the dirty wool. So it can spread from animals to humans also, to the people who are looking after the sheep or who are shearing the sheep or the ones who are sorting the wool. That is why sometimes it is also called sorter's disease. This disease causes severe respiratory problems like asthma. There is also difficulty in breathing and many more problems associated with this. In ancient times, many animals and people died because of this disease anthrax. But nowadays, treatment and vaccine for anthrax is available. So people can save themselves from this infection. Here you can see the picture or the microscopic view of the bacteria that causes anthrax. Here chances of infection are there from sheep to humans, also from cattle to humans, those people who are rearing cows and buffaloes. See, the bacteria spores, they enter through the nose and they enter the lungs and they block the lungs. There are alveoli in the lungs, which you will learn later, and because of that the person is not able to breathe properly. Next we have health hazards in sericulture. Sericulture, you remember what is it? Sericulture means rearing of silkworms for production of silk. Children, silk is a very fine and expensive fabric. But the life of the people who work for making silk is very miserable and full of problems. They have to touch the dead worms, handling dead worms with bare hands, without any gloves. So this dead worms may have some microorganisms because of which infection may be there. Then while boiling the cocoons, they have to put their hands in the boiling water to check the cocoons. Dipping bare hands in boiling water. Bare hands again here without any gloves. This causes blisters. And untreated blisters may get infection again. Here you can see this lady, she is taking out the cocoon from the boiling water and she is not wearing any gloves. This picture shows the blisters on the hands. Here this fellow, he is handling the dead worms. In silk industry, people have to stand for about 10 to 12 hours a day. This may cause backache also and spine problems, spine related diseases, damage to backbone, right? So those who are doing the reeling work, reeling means putting the fine silk thread into small holes. they have to strain their eyes. Whole day they have to do this work, and this is very harmful to the eyes. So backache and spine related problems, strain on the eyes due to reeling fine strands of thread, and where they are working, the workplace, there they are boiling the cocoons using diesel as fuel, and because of this carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide are produced. Also, there are fumes from the boiling cocoons. As these gases enter our lungs, it is very harmful. So respiratory problems like asthma and bronchitis are also caused. In the factories, they are not having very hygienic conditions, not very clean place, no proper ventilation. So this also leads to problems of respiration. Here you can see where the people are working. See the man standing continuously and working there. So the place where silk is being prepared is not a very healthy place to work in. So children, I hope you have understood the concept with the help of this video. But still, if you have any problem, you can always contact me. You are always free to send me the message. I will solve your problems. Thank you.